Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off the 5G. To do it, you need to open Settings application, and then find Mobile Service. And here we have network selection. In network selection we need to have automatic mode. It's very important. And here choose mobile data network. In mobile data network you need to have your operator's settings, because if you have wrong operator settings you will not be able to use 5G. Then scroll down again, and here, as you can see, we have the mobile data options, and in mobile data options we have voice and data, and here we have 5G auto or 5G on. If you will have 5G on, it means that your device will search for 5G networks only, and if the 5G will not be available, it will switch to 3G, not to LTE but to the 3G. As you can see, 5G may impact battery life on reliability of some voice calls and data. 5G auto use 5G only when needed the performance while optimizing battery life. 5G on use 5G whenever it's available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. So even this mode 5G on, even if your smartphone is with disabled screen and you don't use it right now, it will connect it will try to connect to the 5G networks, even if you don't need the better speed of the internet. But with the 5G auto, your smartphone will search for 5G network and will be connected to the 5G network only when you need to download fastly something, and it will think, okay, for LTE is not too fast as I need, and so I will reconnect to 5G. So it will protect your battery. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.